Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually put sizes on TikTok Shop. Okay, so if you're selling clothes or if you're selling shoes or etc, you can just basically add the photos here. And this is from my previous tutorial. I just winged it and just went through the motions from there. You could just basically select the categories here. Just scroll down a little bit. So fill all this up. And once you're done filling all this up, you could just basically, so in this case we're selling shoes, right? In terms of sizes, there's also shirts. Basically, if you want to sell shirts, there's also sizes there. And let's just wait for it to load here. Just disregard that. That's just a really a reminder that you have to be on par with your products and be honest about it. So in here on the attributes, here are the sizes right here. Okay, you can manually add them if you want to, but in this case, just since this is a tutorial, you can just basically fill all this up right here and just manually add all this up here, like heel sizes. And this is the product details when you're trying to add your products, so on. And when you try to generate value for your product, you could use AI if you want to on this one, but labels are really good if you do them manually. It really hones up your skill on selling. Okay, so that's just basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day.